The role playing.
Yes.
One week na decide to me either this Wednesday or Friday. Pero okay na mo ang kuan. Ang ganyan mo script.
Okay. Did you send your script? Karon na ba sa question? So, leaders, you will send your script within the day. Jonah, also optional ninyo, where man, asa man nga lugar.
Kuan ang picnic ko siya miss. For park lang.
Okay. Um, sige ha, thank you for that. Everyone, especially no, if you will go outside, please, your priority is your safety. Of course, alam mo pa doon sa building, no? Alam pa doon sa dagkong kahoy, right? So, pinaka-basic lang yun ninyo is the area lang. Okay, ang area nga hawan. Okay, ang area nga para ninyo, okay, this place is safe. No, totoo, it's a short role play naman po. As long as all of the members are cooperating, participating, I'm good with it. I'm not strict with the time duration as long as makuha lang ninyo and you have play. Okay, and again, namoy extended the phone kay para makuha tanan while na po yung video. And mga langka, at the end of the video, you have your bloopers. Okay, mo na siya extended. And if you go outside, okay, if you go outside, please make it sure na inyong cellphones, nasa yung pocket, your wallet, okay, and your bags, itapong tanan, iusa ang butang, asa tapita ang safe na makita ninyo. Priority ninyo is your phone and your wallet. Okay? Ayaw patakag butang. Kay watak kay sa ubang nag-surround na to. Sunod, the speech will be after sa ato ang sabot. So, thank you for that group 1. So, I need the script na ron. I-send ha. And again, costume ta. Okay? If the scene of you is in the table or what, kamo na yung way, modify it o asa mo dapit makakita. Comfortable way. Okay? Sunod, group 2 leader. Asa na si group 2 leader? Can you share o sa
Sorry,
inyong
Joanne.
design or o sa inyong plano sa inyong play? Asa si group 2? Group 2 leader.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Asa man si
6,
secretary sa group
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Any of the members of group 2? Okay, tell me yung na inyo na plan. I want to see your script. That will be 50 points for your script. So I want it now. Okay,
Just
kung ba
win.
makasubmit, it will be deducted into 5 points per day. So, ang deadline na to sa inyong video will be on October 31. On or before October 31.